So we decided that we need to come to a middle ground and
Yeah.
decide what is right and what is wrong, which balances both the families.
The result of that could be that before the festival is coming, we used to have a clear discussion that क्या हम इस बार मेरे घर जाने वाले हैं, करण के घर जाने वाले हैं, और अगर ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है that one of our parents can be coming and all the family can get together, then that also used to happen. At one point of time when there was a lot of undercurrents going on between Karan and me and the family, what we used to do was have two versions of the same festival. That we used to go do Diwali Puja at mom's place, and then we used to come back and do Diwali Puja at our own place as well.
Yes.
So again, doing the same things but in our own way, making our own rituals is what got us closer, what made our festivals happier.
Yes.
And less of the complications were there because of which.
Yes, absolutely. So I think एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हुई थी जहाँ पे हम दोनों को टाइम ही नहीं मिलता था. It was like privacy became a luxury thing.
Yeah, जैसे तुमने बोला कि एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हुई थी, I was like एक
बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम हुई थी. I think privacy becomes an issue if you are in a joint family or if you are living
Definitely.
not in a nuclear family, then this
Yeah.
is a major issue with most of the couples. So I think हमारे साथ ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी.
या अब तो हम लोग अलग हो गए हैं, बट अर्लियर व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू लिव विद द फैमिली, देयर वर टाइम्स व्हेन करण एंड आई यूज्ड टू बोथ फील द नीड फॉर सम प्राइवेसी. तो उसमें हमने बहुत ऐसी तिकड़में लगा के रखी थी